बात रही होगी उस कश्ती की, क्या बात रही होगी उस कश्ती की जो भिड़ी तूफानों से थी, क्या बात रही होगी उस लड़की की जो लड़ी शैतानों से थी। Hello guys, this is Pooja Prajapati standing in front of you. Today I am going to tell you about a success story, a bravery story of a girl who fought with the terrorists and saved the life of many Indian American passengers. That is none other than Neerja Bano. A girl belongs to Chandigarh, brought up to Mumbai, lived in a Punjabi family, was born on 7 September 1963. She was the daughter of Harish Vanot, a Bombay-based journalist, and Rama Vanot. She had two brothers, Akhil and Anish Vanot. She had completed her graduation from St. Xavier College of Bombay, where she was first spotted for modeling assignment. Then she started her career in modeling there. After that, she applied for a job as a flight attendant in Penn, where she got selected and went to Miami for the training of flight attendant and returned as a head person. She also had a good career in modeling along with work at Penn. On 5 September 1986, she was the head person of the flight Penn AM 73, which was flying from Mumbai to United States and hijacked by the four armed terrorists at Karachi, Pakistan. In that aircraft, there were 380 passengers, 13 crew members. The terrorists want to fly Cipra for freeing the penitent prisoners in Cipra. The Vanot was able to alert the cockpit pilot as soon as the hijackers boarded in the plane. The cockpit pilot, co-pilot, and flight engineer flew away from the craft. As the senior cabin crew head person, Vanot took the charge of the situation in the plane. The terrorists were the member of the Abdul Ninar organization, the parental organization of Cipra of Liberals. The terrorists or hijackers were targeting the American assets. In the early minute of hijacking, they identify a Indian American passenger, drag him out to the exit, shoot him dead, and throw his body out of the plane. So after that, they instructed the Vanot to collect the passport of all the passengers so that they can easily differentiate between the American and non-American passenger. But Vanot and her other assistant under her hide the password of the remaining 43 Americans, some in the seats, some in the dustbin, so that the hijackers could not differentiate between the American and non-American passenger. After 17 hours, the terrorists opened fire and set explosion in the plane. Vanot was opened one of the door of the aircraft and instructed the passenger to go from that way. According to the surviving passenger, she opened the one of the exit door of the plane. So she was helping the passenger. To go from that way, but her bad luck. One of the terrorists saw her, caught her by her ponytail and shoot her dead. She was died on the spot. So in that way, but by her bravery, by her courage, she landed the plane and saved the life of many Indian American passengers, including 43 Americans, and 2 were died on that hijacking. So in that way, by her bravery, by her success, by her bravery, by her courage, she saved the life of many Indian American passengers. So she gave us a motivation for her bravery, for her courage. She received so many awards that from India, from international, that United States, and from Pakistan. From India, she was the first to receive no guarantee award for the calmness at the peacetime. That is, for the calmness and bravery award at a peacetime. That is Ashok Chakra award. She was the first person who received at the earlier age. And the another thing is that her brother Anish Vanot was written a book on her, that is The Smile of a Courage. And another thing that our Bollywood film industry made a picture on Neerja in 2016. That's name was Neerja. So in that way, she was the whole proof of that courage or bravery, a girl who fought with the terrorists and saved the life of many people. So we can motivate from her that whatever the situation comes in the life, we just have to face it with the sincerity, with the intelligence, with the use of calmness, with the use of mind. Then that way we can face it and help the people in that way. And at last I would like to say 2 lines for her, that is, 3 गोलियां सीने पे खाई थी, वो भी थी एक मर्दानी, खूब लड़ी थी डटकर जो, वो थी देश की बेटी नीरजा. That's it. Thank you everyone.